It is as light as aluminum, as strong as steel, and incredibly difficult to drill. This is titanium. Atomic number 22, titanium is an extraordinary metal, widely used in many industrial sectors such as aerospace, orthopedic, dental, watchmaking, and many others. But its toughness is a challenge for anyone who wants to drill it. If you've tried it at least once, you know it. Drilling this material is quite a challenge. In fact, if we compare titanium with other materials, we will notice differences in physical properties that accentuate the difficulties of machinability, like elongation at break, tensile strength, thermal conductivity, and hardness. So, how can we best handle this material while avoiding scrap pieces and the wasting of tools and time? Today, we will explore the world of micro drilling of titanium, from the shallowest to the deepest. Let's start with an excellent solution for short micro drilling. 3 and 6 times diameter depth. The CrazyDrill Titanium, as the name suggests, is a drill perfectly suited to all types of titanium, and it can easily handle the major challenges involved in drilling these materials. One of these is reducing the heat generation and the thermal load, which can lead to quality issue or tool failure, especially on materials with a low thermal conductivity, like titanium. For this reason, these drills are equipped with lubrication channels integrated into the shank, which, with only 15 bar of through coolant pressure, constantly cool the cutting area. Another demanding challenge in micro drilling titanium is the precision of the hole. In short drilling, this is measured with 2 main parameters. 1. True position precision. 2. Diameter precision. To drill a hole in the correct position, several factors must be taken into consideration. Reducing the axial forces, for example, is crucial to avoid an excessive load that will lead to tool deflection, or even worse, part bending, especially on thin walls parts or where the clamping is unstable. That's why this product has a thinner web to allow a smooth chip flow, and a specific designed web thinning that ensure a perfect centering effect for an overall 45% lower axial force. This contributes to achieving minimal positioning error and, consequently, a perfect part, as in this case. And what about a perfect diameter? Especially in micro drilling, tighter diameter tolerances are required. When drilling, built-up edge, chip jamming, and material adhesion are often responsible for a resulting drill diameter out of specs. Therefore, every small detail counts. Cutting-edge protections and all drill surfaces must have an extra smooth surface to ensure a frictionless chip flow and avoid the described issues, to guarantee a precise and tight hole tolerance. Keeping those performances on a 6 times diameter deep hole has been challenging, but can those performances be kept also on 50 times diameter deep holes? Absolutely. Nevertheless, other challenges arise, like the choice of the optimal drilling strategy to ensure a short cycle time and the hole deviation. In the manufacturing industry, time is a key resource. Today, micro drilling technologies offer solutions where the cycle time goes from long to very long. For example, single flute deep gun drills are characterized by a highly vulnerable cutting geometry and a weak tool structure, which require the use of extremely low feed rates per revolution, resulting in very long cycle times. Mikron tool with the CrazyDrill Flex Titanium ATK offers drilling technology able to drill very deep holes up to 50 times diameter, with a cycle time 2.5 times shorter than deep gun drilling. And the hole deviation? Another topic we don't have to worry about. The only requirement is to drill a pilot hole first, to guide the deep drill in the correct position. The average deviation of the Mikron tool 50 times diameter long drill is only 17 microns. Also in difficult conditions, with thin walls components, and where a good alignment between drill and part is not given, the resulting part will show minimal deviation. Titanium drilling presents several challenges, but with the right tools, specifically developed for the task, it's easy peasy. Our journey today led us to the discovery of micro drilling tools in a diameter range between 0.2 and 2 millimeters. To cover all your needs, we offer micro drills in 3 and 6 times diameter lengths, with external or in the shank integrated through coolant, for all titanium grades. For deep micro holes, we provide drills of 30 and 50 times diameter length in 2 different geometries, one for pure titanium and one for titanium alloys. Discover also the rest of the product line, with diameters up to 6.35 millimeters. You won't regret it. Drill fast, drill safe, drill crazy.